Hi guys, warm welcome on Yaman's MATLAB coding. In this clip, we'll be discussing how one can determine the equivalent of a control system block diagram by considering one example. In order to check on this clip, the viewer needs understanding of clip 36, which discusses transfer function entering, then clip 40, which discusses series parallel equivalent finding, then clip 41, which discusses feedback system equivalent finding. On the screen, there is a block diagram. Input to the block diagram is R of S and output from the block diagram is Y of S. Our objective is to determine the Y to R equivalent transfer function subject to G1, G2 and H. Pay attention to the block diagram. We notice that G1 and G2 are in parallel. Let us say the equivalent of the two parallel transfer functions is G12. Then G12 and H together form a negative feedback system where G12 is the forward path function and H is the feedback path function. Let us consider the screen-shown transfer functions. G1 equals 1 by s square plus s plus 1, G2 equals 1 by s plus 2, H equals 1 by s. After computation, y by r should be s cube plus 2s square plus blah blah blah. In order to implement the equivalent, go to MATLAB command prompt, enter the given three transfer functions G1, G2 and H using polynomial coefficients. What you see on the screen in the first three command lines. In the fourth command line, we find G12 from the addition of G1 and G2. In the fifth command line, we exercise feedback from G12 and H, and the result is kept to user chosen E. E displays the transfer function, which validates our last slide transfer function requirement. All right, thanks for sticking around. Do share, like, and subscribe our contents. I hope to see you in next clip. Bye bye.